Let's dive into how to play the snake game from Menu L101 first. Come to Menu L101 first. If you're not sure how to navigate the menu, check out our menu navigation video first. Once you're at Menu L101, simply press down on the joystick like a button to kick off the snake game. And there you go, the game has started. To control the snake, move the joystick up, down, left, or right to guide it towards the food. But be careful. The game will end if the snake tries to leave the display area. Want to exit the game? Just press down on the joystick again. The best part? This kit saves your high scores, so you can keep challenging yourself. Congratulations and enjoy the game. Don't forget, with this Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to build games like this too. Be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website for more.